Los Angeles County public health officials continue to report a decline in coronavirus case numbers Sunday, raising hope that more restrictions on businesses might soon be relaxed. New cases and deaths are always lower on the weekends because not all laboratories report results. Still, the county recorded just 438 new cases and 20 related deaths, according to the Public Health Department, capping several weeks of sustained declines. The county has logged an average of 590 new cases per day over the last week, a 62% drop from 2 weeks before, according to the Times Coronavirus Tracker. There were 750 COVID-19 patients in county hospitals as of Saturday, a decline of nearly 33% from 2 weeks before. Officials have said that if the downward trend continues, it's possible LA County could move into the less strict orange tier of the state's color-coded reopening blueprint next month. That would enable bars to reopen outdoors, lift capacity restrictions on stores and increase limits on restaurants, churches, gyms, museums and movie theaters. The county already has moved out of the strictest purple tier and into the red tier, allowing restaurants, gyms, museums and movie theaters to resume operations indoors at limited capacity. It's time to get things moving, Los Angeles Mayor Eric Garcetti said Sunday in an interview on CBS, Face the Nation. It's time to get our economy started. It's time to start hugging our loved ones again. He sought to draw a distinction between the most recent relaxation of rules and a rapid reopening of the economy in May that was blamed for a subsequent surge in infections in June and July. Unlike then, he said, experts now believe that between half and two-thirds of LS population has antibodies due to being either exposed to the virus or vaccinated against it. So it is a very different context than when openings happened last July or when openings didn't happen in December, but we still saw this virus burn through our city, Garcetti said. This is a very, very optimistic moment. Tiers are assigned based on 3 factors: COVID-19 case rates, the rate of positive test results and a health equity metric intended to ensure that the positive test rate in poorer communities is not significantly higher than the county's overall figure. Counties need to record 2 straight weeks of qualifying data to advance to a less restrictive tier and must remain in a tier for at least 3 weeks before moving again. To move from the red to orange tier, a county must have an adjusted coronavirus case rate of 3.9 or fewer new cases per 100,000 people each day, a test positivity rate of under 5% and a health equity metric of less than 5.3%. According to the latest data released Tuesday, L County checked both the health equity and positivity rate boxes, but its calculated case rate, 4.1, was still a tad too high. The county remains 2 weeks away, at best, from potentially advancing